Good morning, students. Today we'll start another topic, that is before, after and between. So we should know the term what before means, what after means and what between means. So for that, here you can see 3 cartoon characters are there, right? And I know that you know the name of these characters, right? So the first one is what? Shin Chan. Second one, Masao. And the third one, Kazama, right? For example, they are standing in front of one shop, right? And Shin Chan his position is what? 1. Masao's position 2nd and Kazama's position is what? 3rd. Okay. So if I ask who is standing before Masao? So before Masao, how will you find? Just move to this side. Right? That means we have to move towards the left side. Okay, so Shin Chan is standing before Masao. And who is standing after Masao? Kazama is standing after Masao. Okay, now if I ask who is standing in between Shin Chan and Kazama? So you just see here Shin Chan is standing, here Kazama. So between these two, Masao is standing. I hope you have understood the terms before, after and between. Okay. So in mathematics, how we can find a number before any number? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now see, there is one number line and you can see the number, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now let's choose any one number. Okay. So the number is what? 4. Okay. So what is the number placed before 4? Can you tell me? What is the number placed before 4? So the number is what? 3. And what is the number placed after 4? It will be what? 5. Okay. Now one simple trick I want to share with you. Okay. For example, this one the simple number 4. Okay, if I take if I take 35, so what will be the number before 35 and what will be the number after 35? How can you find it? Okay, so for that reason, in order to find out the before number, okay, the number that stands before 35 will subtract 1 with 35. Okay. For example, 35 minus 1. We'll do minus 1 in order to find out the before number. So it will be what? 34. So your before number, it will be what? 34. Right. Now, in order to find out after number, okay, that means the number after 35 will add, okay, will add plus 1. So it will be what? 36. So after 35, it will be, the after number will be what? 36. Okay, this simple trick also works in this number line also. So 4 is there. So if I ask you the number before 4, so you just subtract 1 with 4. It will be what? 3. Right? And after 4, you just add 1 with 4. So 4 plus 1, it will be 5. Okay? Okay, let's take another example. Okay, now let me tell you about the between numbers. For example, two numbers are given, 2 and 5. You have to write the numbers that are found in between 2 and 5. So whenever we use between word, we just see the numbers, okay, and will not consider these numbers. These numbers will not consider. Okay, only the middle number we will see. So between 2 and 5, what are the numbers that are present? The numbers are 3 and 4. Okay, will not count 2 and 5. Okay, so if I tell you between 7 and 9, okay, what will be the number? So you just write 7. In between 8 you can find, right? So your answer will be what? 8. Will not write 7, 9. Okay, we'll write only 8. Because we find out the numbers that are found in between this number, 7 and 9. Okay, now we'll do quickly the first exercise, because this one I think it is now very easy for you to find out the answer. So at the first you have to write the before and after number, right? So one magic trick I told you now. Before number, how will you find? You will subtract 1, and after number you will add 1. So subtract 1 from 40, you will get what? 39, right? And after number will be what? You just add 1 and you will get what? 41. Yes, very good. So now B number will be what? Before 76, what will be the number? 75. And after number? 77. Right? Now see, before 22, what will be the number? 21. And after? 23. Yes, very good. Now you will do D, E and F by your own. Okay, let me check whether you have understood or not. Okay, now let me discuss about the between numbers. So as I told you, between numbers you have to find out the numbers in between any two numbers. So here it is given 30, 32. So we'll make a line like this and we'll write 30. Okay, and then we will mark each point, or we can say we will continue our counting up to 32. So here it is 31, 32. So between 30 and 32, how many numbers are there? One number. And what is the number? 31. Okay. Now at 14 and 16 number is there, right? So we'll imagine a number line, right? We'll write 14, 15 and 16, right? So here 15 comes in between 14 and 16. So your between number will be what? 15. Very good. So like this only we can find out the numbers between any two numbers. Okay, and one more thing, you can also count the numbers. Okay, whenever between numbers it will ask, you just count the two numbers. For example, 30, 31, 32. You just stop at 32. Okay, now between 31 and 32, what will be the number? Sorry, between 30 and 32, what will be the number? 31. Right? Like that only, you can also find out the numbers in between any two numbers. Okay? Now let's move to I number, that is 33 to 35. So you have to write the number. So 33, 34, 35. You just stop at 35 and you should not count 35. Okay. So here between 33 and 35, 34 is there. Okay. Now you will do J, K and L. Okay. And you will send me your answer. Okay. And these things you have to do in your copy. Okay. So in our next class we'll discuss about some numbers. We will discuss about comparing numbers. Okay. So till then you just revise it, you just see whatever we have discussed, you just apply those things in the exercise that is given. Okay.